POCO F7 Ultra review. I'm going to introduce you to the POCO F7 Ultra in detail. This phone boasts some very impressive technical specifications on paper. With a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 120 watts fast charging support, a 50MP triple camera system, and an IP68 certification, it's definitely a powerhouse. But how does it perform in real-world usage? I've tested this phone and experienced its pros and cons firsthand. We'll talk about the design, display, performance, camera, battery, and more. But before we dive into the video, I want to remind you of something small. Friends, preparing these videos takes a lot of my time. If you subscribe to my channel and like the video, it would really motivate me. Remember, it only takes 2 seconds. Now, let's get into the video and start reviewing the POCO F7 Ultra. Design and build quality. First impressions are crucial, and the POCO F7 Ultra feels premium right out of the box. The phone measures 160.3 by 75 by 8.4 mm and fits perfectly in my hand, although its weight at 212 grams is noticeable at first. This is due to the large battery and robust materials used. The frame is metal, while the back is glass, giving the device a quality, durable feel. With an IP68 rating, the phone is resistant to dust and water, making it easy to use in rainy weather or near the pool. On the right side, you'll find the power button and volume controls, while at the bottom, there's a USB-C port, speaker, and SIM card slot. There's no 3.5mm headphone jack, but this is now common for most flagship phones. Despite the lack of a headphone jack, wireless headphone use is of high quality thanks to Bluetooth 6.0 and Snapdragon sound support. The wireless audio experience is satisfying. I'd be really happy if you subscribe to the channel. Display. The POCO F7 Ultra's display is quite impressive. The 6.67-inch OLED panel with a 1440 by 3200 pixel resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate delivers a smooth and sharp image. The high refresh rate makes scrolling and animations very smooth. With Dolby Vision and HDR10+ support, colors appear more vivid and contrast is more pronounced when watching videos or playing games. One of the standout features of the display is its brightness. The 3200 nits maximum brightness ensures the screen is visible even under direct sunlight. The 1800 nits HBM brightness level is excellent for outdoor use. In terms of color accuracy, the POCO F7 Ultra is fantastic. The deep blacks and high contrast ratios that OLED panels offer take the display experience to the next level. Especially in dark mode, the blacks are truly black, allowing for eye-friendly usage. In short, the POCO F7 Ultra's display offers excellent performance in daily use and multimedia experiences. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. Performance. When it comes to performance, the POCO F7 Ultra really impresses. Thanks to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, it delivers flagship-level performance. This processor handles even the most demanding tasks with ease. Looking at the processor specs, it has 2x 4.32 GHz Orion V2 Phoenix L cores for heavy tasks, and 6x 3.53 GHz Orion V2 Phoenix M cores for efficient daily use. On the graphics side, the Adreno 830 GPU ensures high FPS values in mobile gaming. I tested games like PUBG Mobile, Genshin Impact, and Call of Duty Mobile at ultra settings, and all of them ran smoothly. Even during long gaming sessions, I didn't notice any significant heating, thanks to the advanced cooling system. This allows for long gaming sessions without performance drops. The RAM and storage options are also extensive. The available configurations are 256GB/12GB RAM, 512GB/12GB RAM, 512GB/16GB RAM, and 1TB/16GB RAM. With UFS 4.0 storage technology, apps and games load extremely fast. The POCO F7 Ultra truly excels in terms of speed. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel to support me. Camera. The POCO F7 Ultra's camera performance is highly impressive. It has a triple rear camera setup, a 50MP main camera, f/1.6, OIS, PTAF, a 50MP telephoto camera, 2.5x optical zoom, OIS, and a 32MP ultra-wide camera, 120 degrees field of view. The main camera can capture high-quality shots even in low light. The telephoto camera with 2.5x optical zoom preserves facial details very well. The ultra-wide camera delivers stunning results for landscape shots. The video recording is also quite impressive, with 8K at 24 fps, 4K at 60 fps HDR recording, and 1080p at 960 fps super slow motion options. On the front, there's a 20MP selfie camera that takes excellent selfies, especially in good lighting conditions. I'd be really happy if you subscribe and like the video. Battery. The POCO F7 Ultra has a 6000 mAh battery that lasts comfortably for 1.5 days. The most noteworthy feature, however, is the 120 watts fast charging support. It charges to 100% in just 28 minutes. It also supports 50 watts wireless charging, allowing for fast and wireless charging, connectivity and extra features. The POCO F7 Ultra is packed with connectivity and extra features. With Wi-Fi 7 support, you get ultra-fast internet speeds. Bluetooth 6.0 and Snapdragon sound deliver a high-resolution audio experience. The NFC and infrared sensor let you make wireless payments and control your TV. The in-display ultrasonic fingerprint reader is fast and secure, allowing you to unlock the phone effortlessly. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe and support me. Price. The POCO F7 Ultra starts at $739 in the US for the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage version, and goes up to $739 for the 16GB RAM and 1TB storage option. This price range offers different configurations to suit your needs, making it accessible for various budgets. Conclusion: should you buy POCO F7 Ultra? The POCO F7 Ultra is a very attractive model in terms of price/performance. With the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 1440p OLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, and 3200 nits brightness, it provides an excellent visual experience. The 50MP triple camera system and 8K video recording make it impressive for photo and video capturing. The 6000 mAh battery and 120 watts fast charging ensure long-lasting use. Thanks to the IP68 rating, it is resistant to dust and water. However, the lack of a 3.5mm headphone jack and its slightly heavier weight might be a downside for some users. Still, the wireless audio experience easily compensates for these drawbacks. In conclusion, the POCO F7 Ultra offers excellent performance, an impressive display, and a solid camera, making it a fantastic option. Does this phone meet your expectations? I'm looking forward to reading your comments. Also, my dear friend, for more videos and reviews of the latest tech products, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. This motivates me a lot and helps me create more videos.